Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine was talking about why she boycotts Amazon. She just doesn't buy anything from Amazon at all. And she was basically listing her complaints with the company, saying that they stop workers from joining unions, they try their best to drive workers' wages down, they undercut small businesses to try and put them out of business, and then when they've done that, they hike up their own prices. And basically, as she pointed out, Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, has made his billions on the back of the hard graft of other people. If you say that something happens on the back of something else, you basically mean it happens because of it, or as a result of it, or using that thing. So maybe a company might be awarded a contract on the back of previously successful campaigns or previously successful work. I know that as a coursebook writer myself, I've been invited to speak at conferences on the back of the success or the popularity of my coursebooks. Another example, maybe companies often sell things on the back of certain trends. So perhaps you're aware of the Hygge trend. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but lots of interior design companies sell things on the back of Hygge, or they sell things on the back of Christmas. And one strange fact I came across the other day, on the back of the Sudoku trend, which I guess many of you will know about, this thing with the numbers and the squares, sales of pencils in the UK rose 700% on the back of the Sudoku trend. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends on social media, with your colleagues, with your students, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on the back of.